Okay.
Hi guys, we're back.
Okay, welcome to another video. And this time we're gonna see who can finish
Our marshmallows.
No,
first.
two marshmallows first.
No, one.
No, two, because it's gonna be really slow. It's a slow video. We're gonna have to. Okay, ready? Okay, two.
Okay.
Okay.
2 marshmallows. No.
I almost started. 3, 2, 1.
One.
What is that? What's that red stuff? Like, what happened? Oh, did you bite your lip on accident?
I have cheese problem.
Oh, this all that lip.
Don't eat too many of those.
Oh,
I already see too many in your hand.
There's two.
Now I have one of these.
Not right now. Come here, Addie.
They have 1,000 of those in their hand.
Okay, no, we don't have like
What
two.
kind do you want, Addie? Come here.
Stop, leave.
You want a smoked sausage? Hot dog?
I want to try all 3.
That was our last one. Last one. That one. What's that? I'm gonna win. Oh yeah.
Here, Addie. Look.
I'm number
Drop it
one.
off.
Okay, I'm about to start well. Okay.
How
Well-
hang and run.
So, just please, okay,
Just subscribe, like it.
Okay, like it, and subscribe to our channel.
See ya.